Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To have a lush green garden with healthy plants and vibrant flowers blooming all year round, love for plants alone is still not enough. Each type of plant needs proper care and suitable nutrients to develop steadily over time. In today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple orchid care method using only familiar ingredients available in the kitchen. This method will help every type of plant in your home garden grow healthily, develop glossy green leaves, and support the root system in developing more steadily. If you also love healthy green plant pots and want your plants to bloom more beautifully over time, subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us begin right now. To make this fertilizer formula, I use cloves as shown in the video. Cloves contain many natural essential oils, together with beneficial minerals that help support plants in developing more healthily over time. Prepare a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Next, place about 1 spoon of cloves into the cup. After that, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water, so the essential oils and natural nutrients in the cloves can dissolve and release more effectively into the water. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so the cloves release their essential oils and natural nutrients into the water, as shown in the video. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. At the same time, I will prepare a rice solution as shown in the video. Rice contains a large amount of starch, together with beneficial natural minerals that help support plants in developing more healthily over time. Prepare 1 clean glass cup. Next, place about 3 spoons of rice into the clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Pour 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water to create the solution. After that, use a spoon to stir thoroughly so the nutrients and natural starch in the rice release and blend into the water. Stirring thoroughly helps make the rice water richer and supports plants in absorbing nutrients more effectively during use. Close the lid and soak the rice cup together with the cloves for 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I filter out the residue and keep only the pure clove water as shown in the video. At the same time, I will filter and combine the rice solution together with the clove solution. Combining these two solutions helps provide additional natural nutrients for plants, while also supporting the root system in developing more steadily. This liquid is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to help plants grow more healthily, helping leaves stay green and the root system remain more stable over time. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That is it. We now have the solution to fertilize every type of plant in the garden. Method 1. First, use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth lightly soaked in the solution. Then gently wipe each orchid leaf, including both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, water residue, and impurities attached to the leaf surface after a long period of care, helping the leaves become more airy and absorb light more effectively. In addition, the natural nutrients from cloves and rice also help support orchid leaves in becoming greener and healthier, limit dullness and softness, and help the leaf surface become naturally glossy over time. Besides that, regular leaf wiping also helps orchids stay cleaner, limits environments where fungal diseases and bacteria attach to the leaves, thereby supporting the plant in developing more steadily and healthily. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Besides orchids, I also use this solution to wipe the leaves of peace lily plants as shown in the video. The clove and rice solution helps the leaves become cleaner, greener, and healthier while supporting the plant in maintaining stable vitality over time. In addition, the natural nutrients in the solution also help the leaves become glossier, limit dullness, and help the overall plant appear fresher, healthier, and much more vibrant. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Method 2. Use a specialized spray bottle to take a suitable amount of the solution, then gently mist spray from the base to the leaves of the plant as shown in the video. Here, I will use the solution to spray anthurium plants. The clove and rice solution helps support the plant in developing more healthily, while also helping the leaves remain glossy green and maintain stable vitality over time. In addition, the natural nutrients in the solution also help support increasing the plant's resistance, limit dull leaves and dry leaf edges, and help the overall plant appear fresher, healthier, and much more outstanding. Besides anthurium plants, I also use this solution to mist spray snake plants as shown in the video. The clove and rice solution contains many natural nutrients together with beneficial minerals that help support plants in developing more healthily over time. In addition, the solution also helps the leaves become greener and healthier, supports plants in maintaining stable vitality, and helps the overall plant pot appear much cleaner, fresher, and healthier. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Method 3. With the remaining solution in the bowl, I place the roots of the plant directly into the solution for soaking, as shown in the video. Soaking the plant gives the root system time to absorb the natural nutrients from cloves and rice more effectively, while also supporting the plant in recovering and developing more steadily over time. In addition, this method also helps the roots receive more even moisture, supports the plant in absorbing water more effectively, and helps the leaves and stems maintain freshness longer. Do the same with the remaining plants you need to water. You should only soak the plant for a suitable amount of time, then allow the plant to drain completely before placing it back into its original position to limit root rot caused by excessive waterlogging. Results. After about 2 months of regular application, the plants in the garden showed very clear changes over time. For orchids, the easiest change to notice is that the root system developed more strongly than before, new roots began appearing more frequently. The root tips became greener and thicker, and the plants absorbed water more effectively. The orchid leaves also gradually became darker green, thicker, healthier, and naturally glossier. Leaves that were previously slightly wrinkled or lacking vitality also improved noticeably after a period of care. For peace lily plants, the plants developed much more steadily. Leaves that were previously drooping or dull gradually recovered, the leaves stood more upright, and the leaf surface became glossier over time. In addition, the plants also began producing many new healthy young leaves. For anthurium plants, the overall plant became noticeably fresher and healthier. The leaves became darker green, cleaner, and maintained their natural gloss much longer after regular wiping and mist-spraying with this solution. Even the snake plants in the garden developed more steadily, with stronger leaves and healthier green color after a period of use. When you consistently apply the method correctly and care for the plants regularly, you will see your garden become greener, your plants become healthier, and their vitality remains strong over time. If you found this orchid care method useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to follow more simple but effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.